if you hadn't already guessed, this is the Chyron stand. You can never miss it here at IBC. And here, of course, IBC 2012, they've got a nice corner plot with lots going on. But today we're going to look at this product, which is Engage. And I've got Jim here. Jim, tell us a little bit about Engage.
Okay, well, Engage is about making it easy for broadcasters to get social media content on air, using the same workflows that they're very familiar with in news and sports production. They've been using their Chyrons for a long time. So we're interfacing to some social media data providers and bringing that content right into the graphics in the news production system. And we'll show you how that's done right here.
So yeah, go and give us a go. So we got, show us what we got.
So what we have is a variety of different examples of what you can do with social media. One of the first is Shout, which we're showing here, which brings Twitter feeds, Facebook, and RSS feeds from just about any source into your news production. Right. So that's a basic starting point for anyone. Then we have another example which shows this is the Tweetometer, which we'll cut to over there. That actually compares the relative number of tweets between two different subjects. Oh, okay. Okay, and it's great to show popularity, trending topics, to get some audience feedback. In that particular case, right now I'm comparing hash IBC to hash DNC for the Democratic Convention. IBC is far behind, but I think that'll probably pick up as the days go on. Okay, so that's another great example. And we do that with our partner Mass Relevance, who's a Twitter data aggregator. On the left over there, there's a poll that we're running with Neverknow, with our partner Neverknow. It's comparing, people get to vote on who their favorite expendable is. Schwarzenegger's in the lead right now. You can vote using either SMS, Facebook polling page, and a Twitter page, and so on. And all that data is updated in real time, so every time you play that graphic out to air, you're going to get the latest data. And you're really bringing your audience into your production. And one last example here is kind of turns it around, where we're actually going to push TV graphics out to the second screen. Right. Okay, and we have our partner ZBox has a very popular second screen app in the UK market. What we're doing here is when you're logged into the show, the ZBox app will follow the show, and we can push graphics to their screen. Basically treat it as a third layer of graphics, if you will. Okay, so for instance, I can go to my news production system here, and I might be, let's say, interviewing Jens Lehmann, the goalkeeper, and while I have him on the screen, I'd like to push up some stats about him, but I can't get him on the screen. But I can go out to my second screen app. Let me find him over here. He's down there. And I'm going to push that out too. And here's some stats on Jens that will kind of add a little more information. It's very common in sports production that you got a lot more stats than you can possibly put on air. This gives you another channel to do that with.
So I haven't seen Engage before. Is this a brand new product for Chyron?
This is a brand new product. It's based on a lot of existing technology we have, like the Cameo workflow, Lyric playout devices, and our cloud services. Since most of this data lives in the cloud to begin with, our cloud layer is like a great interface to that. And that's a big, big part of it.
And obviously, first time being shown here at IBC. What's the availability of this?
This is available right away. We're anxious to talk to broadcasters to find out, how they think they can use it, what social data partners they're working with, and so on. We've already started doing that in the U.S. We first showed this at NAB, and we're ready to roll it out in Europe.
That's great. And if people want to find out some more information, can they go to your website?
Sure, on the website, and they can come right here.
So, obviously, if you're watching this, IBC would have been over, so you want to go to their website, and the link is just below me there. I think it's still chyron.com. The link just there, find out more information about Engage, and of course, all the other products and services that Chyron offer. Thank you very, very much for the run-through on Engage. Everything we're doing here at IBC, you'll find on our website, which is BroadcastShow.com.